Hi everybody, it's DL Price here. I am the author of the Trade Chronicles and I'm also the mom of the YouTuber swimmer Nick. I am quick recording the blizzard that we're in the middle of. We live in Michigan and I'm going to switch the camera around so you can see these good shots. Here's outside our window. We're in a blizzard. Actually, I think today isn't as bad as maybe they originally predicted. But yesterday I did a video when I was shopping at Meijer. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Christmas Day is in a couple days. And I'm going to quick show you my backyard because that's a little bit better view. It is Christmas, so my house is all decorated. And here is the view of outside. The conditions are not so bad right now, so I might videotape later if the winds pick up. But we live close, about an hour away from the lake shore, 60 miles. And we're under a blizzard warning for today and for tomorrow, right before Christmas. So I just want to give you an update. I was out shopping yesterday morning, finishing Christmas shopping, getting items for the weekend before the blizzard hit. But today, it doesn't look so bad out. The mailman just drove by, which means maybe the roads are not as bad as they predicted, but I'm not going out today. And I want to give a shout out to Sylvia with the Sylvia Systems. One of my jobs I have is working for her, and I'm able to do it from home today, so I feel blessed. Thank you so much. Again, this is DL Price, the author of the Trade Chronicles. Yes, I'm working on book 4. Hope to have it done in 2023. And a shout out also to my son, swimmer Nick. He's a YouTuber. He's not home at the moment, but he will probably have some good videos this winter. Again, thank you everybody for your support, and Merry Christmas. And Merry Christmas from our dog Rosebud.